Yan! Sir JB, here's the...
Ayan.
Doon nga ako. Oo nga saan. I already received it, Sir JB. Ate Rowie, thank you. And Sir JB. I'm going to unbox it. Hi everyone! So for today's vlog ay may dumating nga po tayong parcel. Galing kay Sir JB Outdoor. So I will going to unbox it. My daughter wants to join me to unbox it. Akit mo nga si JB. So we are going to unbox it now. Sir JB, thank you so much, and to Ate Rowie, thank you. I already received it. So let's go. We're going to unbox. Open mo, open. Yun. Dako ka good. Say hi. Hi. Doon. Say hi.
Hi.
Mo, thank you.
Thank you.
Uncle JB.
Thank you.
Love you.
Hi, you.
Flying kiss.
Okay.
I'm going to gamit the gunting, guys. Kasi ang hirap niya buksan. Yeah. Wow, what's this?
Wow.
Wow.
Mama.
I'm so excited. What's this? Yeah. 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 Yeah, baka malaglag sa team. Tabi. Three.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Me. Wow.
Oh my God, what is this?
Oh.
Isa. Oh my God, what's this? I'm so excited. Oh, there's a wire mouse. Oh my God, ano kaya to? Meron siya wire mouse. Laptop? Ha? Office student. Ha? Ano to? Wait lang. Oh my God! Oh my God, Sir JB! Wait. I'm gonna look it. Yan. Dito lang mo ako. Tinakloban mo yung laan ako. Wait, guys. My husband will going to help me to open the box. Oh my God, what's this, Sir JB? I'm so excited. UN. Ano to? HP. The brand is HP. Oh. What is this?
Sabi na.
Papa. Minati.
So guys, I'm going to open it. Oh my God, Sir JB, what's this? O, baliktad. Honey, baliktad ang inopen mo. My daughter is very excited, Sir JB, to see what... Oh my God! Sir JB!
Yo. Tadaan daw din.
Oh my God!
Wow.
Oh my God, Sir JB! Thank you so much, Sir JB!
Laptop.
Oh my God, naiiyak ako.
Laptop.
Sir JB, thank you so much!
Laptop ang laman.
Oh my God!
Papa.
Wow!
Laptop nga.
Saan tayo dala yung NBC?
LBC.
Oh my God, Sir JB! Oh, where's
Ayan lalaman.
in the other box, Sir
Ano pa?
JB, wait.
Ano kaya yun?
Oh, the
Yung bag.
bag na ano. Wow, thank you so much, Sir JB! Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Oh my God! Say thank you! Thank you! And to open it later, I think it needs to charge before we open it, Sir JB. Wow, and this is the the charger of the laptop. Wow, thank you so much, Sir JB. This is my first time to receive it from from my supporter. And this is the bag. I will put it here, the laptop.
Dito.
Thank you so much, Sir JB. I will going to use it when I'm doing live. I can use it. Thank you so much, Sir JB. I'm so very happy. Thank you so much. I love you. And thank you for this blessing. So, ayun guys, nakapag-unbox na nga po tayo, no? Pinadala sa atin ng Sir JB na parcel. Ayun. Thank you so much again, Sir JB, for this wonderful gift that I received. I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that it's a laptop. Oh my god. I'm so surprised and I'm very happy. Thank you so much again. I just want to thank God because He gave me, my family, a very kind and generous person. Thank you so much again, Sir JB. Always take care there and more blessing to comes to you. So yun guys, sobrang na-surprise nga tayo sa padala sa atin ng Sir JB at syempre hindi naman to basta regalo lang kasi napakamahal niya guys. Very expensive. This gift is very expensive. So sobrang saya ko guys at sobrang excited nga ni Jimmy kanina. Gusto niya na agad to gamitin. She said, Mama please, can I borrow it? And I just already done set up the laptop. I already set up this earlier and natagalan ako masyado mag-set up kasi I'm so sorry guys kasi I'm not feeling well tonight. I have fever and I have many canker sore to my mouth. That's why ganito yung aking itsura. Sorry guys. Yeah. Masama lang po talaga ang pakiramdam natin. Yun. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po talaga yung regalong binigay sa akin na Sir JB kasi hindi ko naman po talaga in-expect na gaano ito yung papadala niya. Yan, sobrang lang po ako natutuwa. Kasi nga po ay, kahit po ilang linggo pa lang po kami magkakilala ay, pedala na po agad niya ako ng ganyang regalo. Yan, thank you so much again, Sir JB. Love you always and always take care then. More blessing to come to you and to your family. So, ayun guys, ito nga din po pala tatapusin ang aking vlog for tonight. And because I need to take some rest because I'm not feeling well. Oh my god, it's very hurt guys. My mouth is sobrang sakit. Nahirapan po ako magsalita at kumain kasi sobrang dami na nga po niya sa bibig ko. Ewan ko po, every month nagkakaganto po ako. Pero bagli-bagla na lang po siya natubo. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Yeah. So I wanna say thank you again, Sir JB Outdoors, for this wonderful gift that I received. I really love it, Sir JB. Thank you so much. More blessing to come to you and thank you for all the support. And also, I want to thank Ate Rowie kasi po siya po yung nag-ayos po nitong gift na to para po mapadala po sa akin. Thank you so much, Ate Rowie. Love you, John. And to Ate Ba Melody, thank you so much, Ate Ba. Hello there. Ate Jax, thank you so much. So, ayun guys, see you on my next vlog. Thank you po sa lahat po na sumusuporta sa akin dyan. Sana po, supportahan niyo pa rin po ako hanggang doon. Mahal na mahal ko po kayong lahat. Kuya Jaleka, I love you and I miss you so much. Sir S.A., Sir Randy, Kuya Pogi, Tito Fred, Tropa, Ate G, Kuya Tutoy, Kuya Amboy, Kuya Antwi, Kuya Medal. Thank you so much guys for all the support that you gave to me. And I really appreciate it guys. Thank you so much. Bye guys. Love you all. See you on my next vlog.
So here's the laptop.